Hi everybody, in this video let's look at your Form 2 textbook, Self Practice 1.1 page 6. That's one. So I'm going to discuss question number 3, 4 and 5 with you. Now let's look at question number 3 first. For the number sequence 28, 37, 46, 55 and so on until 145, we want to state the number pattern for odd number and even number. What does this question mean? Okay, now forget about A and B first. Let's look at this given number sequence. 28, 37, 46, 55. What's the next term? We add 9 to it, right? You will get 64. Add 9, 73, and so on. Okay, so why do we keep on adding 9? Because from the given number here, you know, add 9, right? Add 9. Add 9. So if the question asks us to state the number pattern for this given sequence, it will be add 9 to the previous term or add 9 to the previous number. But now the question is not asking us to state the number pattern for this sequence, but it wants us to state the number pattern for odd number. So now you look at this sequence: even, odd, even, odd, even, odd, and so on, right? Now, if you only focus on odd number, then it will be 37, followed by 55, followed by 73, and so on. So the question is asking us to state the number pattern for this odd number sequence. So it will be from here, add 9, right? Add 9. Add 9. So how about from here straight away go to 55? It will be add 18, right? So the number pattern of this odd number sequence will be add 18 to the previous terms or previous number. Okay, so how about even number? We want to state the number pattern for even number. It means that we only focus on even number. So the first even number in this number sequence will be 28, and the next even number will be 46, 64, and so on. Now, from here to here will be adding 9, right? From here 37 to 46, add another 9, right? So how about 28 to 46? It will be adding 18. Okay, so the same thing, if you want to state the number pattern for this even number sequence, it will be add 18 to the previous number. If you don't want to say previous number, you can say previous term. It's the same thing. Okay, now let's look at question number 4. Complete the following Fibonacci number sequence. So still remember what a Fibonacci number. Normally we'll start from 0, 0, 1, and the next number is the sum of the first two previous number. What do I mean by this? So this number will be 0 plus 1, which is equal to 1, and the next term, which is this number, will be equal to 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, and so on. This is a number pattern for Fibonacci number sequence. Okay, but the given sequence here start from 1, but no problem, we still can get the answer for this one because it's still follow the pattern of Fibonacci number. Okay, now here given 2, right? So you try to think, you know that the number patterns for Fibonacci number will be the next term is the sum of the two previous terms, right? It means that the 2 is actually equal to 1 plus this, right? So if I don't know this, I just let it be x. 1 plus x will be equal to 2. Why is x? You know, right? X is equal to 2 minus 1. X is equal to 1. right? Okay, so now we got the answer. This is 1. The sum of these two terms is equal to this. So once you have completed this blank, so the rest will be very easy for you. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. Okay, these are the answer for question number 4. Now let's look at last question, question number 5. So this one might be a little bit complicated. Now 16. Why do we see the 2 8 here? It means that we break this 16 to 2 parts. So it will be 8 plus 8, right? Okay. Now the 8 here break further to 2 parts. Then it will be 4 plus 4. Okay. Here do the same thing. Break the 8 to 2 parts will be 4 plus 4. And 4, this 4, add with this 4, you will get 8. Okay? Now, you bring the 4 here, go down here. And then you break it into 2 equal parts. Divide the 4 by 2. So, what is the number that you will get? You will get 2, right? Therefore, this will be 2. The 2 you just bring down here. But this one is not 2, be careful. Why? Now, the 8 here, you are going to break it become 2 equal parts. So 8 divided by 2, you will get 4 and 4. Okay, let me use another color so that you won't get confused. So this is 4, 4. 8 divided by 2, you will get 4, 4. And 2 plus 4, you will get 6. This should be 6. Okay, so this one we don't have to fill in first. Let's look at what is the number for these 2 branches. Now the 4 you bring down from here, you bring down here, and then you break it into 2 equal parts. So it will be 2 and 2. 4 divided by 2, right? You get 2 and 2. 4 plus 2, you get 6. And the 2 here, you just bring it down, you get 2. So these are the answer for this question. That's all for this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.